Question 14. Work out the value of x squared plus 5x when x is equal to minus 2. Well, if x is equal to minus 2, x squared is equal to minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, which is equal to 4. And 5x is equal to 5 times negative 2. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. So we've got to work out x squared plus 5x. If we know that x squared is 4 and 5x is negative 10, so we're adding negative 10. So 4 add negative 10 is the same as 4 subtract 10. 4 take away 10 is minus 6. Now part B is that when x is equal to a half. So when x is equal to a half, x squared is going to be a half multiplied by itself. A half times a half is a quarter, and then 5x equals 5 times a half. Well, 5 times a half, 2 halves make 1 whole, 4 halves is 2 wholes, so 5 halves is 2 wholes and 1 half. That's exactly the same as saying 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So now x squared plus 5x, x squared is a quarter plus 5 over 2, or I could say it's a quarter plus 2.5. 2.5 plus another quarter is 2 3/4. So our answer is 2 3/4. I'm going to check using this, a quarter plus 5 over 2 here. So a quarter plus 5 over 2 is the same as a quarter plus 5 over 2 is the same as 10 over 4, which is 11 quarters. 11 quarters. How many times does 4 divide into 11? 4 divides into 11 2 times with a remainder of 3, which still has to be divided by quarter. So 2 3/4 is the answer for x squared plus 5x.